Hi guys, welcome to Trendy Unboxing. In this video, I'm going to unbox Lifelong Induction. So guys, this is the packaging of Lifelong Induction, and on the front side of the box they have given the image of the different sensors which are there and also the different modes which are available for this induction. You guys can have a look at it. There is nothing else on the box, and on the left side of the box they have given the manufacturing date, the manufacturer's detail and other details like MRP. This product is made in India and they have also given the manufacturing date. Now let's start the unboxing and see what do we have inside this box. So there we go. We have the induction over there and we can see the wire of it. Now I'm going to remove it outside. As you guys can see, the lifelong induction comes in a bubble wrap and it also has the damage protection sponges at the left and the right side. Now let me remove the bubble wrap from this lifelong induction. So there we go, this is a lifelong induction. Let's see what is there inside the bubble wrap. We have the user manual and the warranty card. On the warranty card, they have mentioned that if you share your experience then you get 6 months of extended warranty. Now let's see what is there at the back side of it. On the back side, they have given the steps how to get extra 6 months of warranty. They have given the WhatsApp number and other details. You guys can have a look at it. Then on the user manual, they have given the different modes that this induction has, and also they have given all the steps how to use it. Now let's have a look at the induction. Design wise, the lifelong induction looks really good, and on the front side we can see the different buttons that are there for the different modes, like for boiling we have one button and similarly for other modes also. Design wise you get a really good product and it looks fabulous. Guys, this is one of the best product you get within 1500 rupees, and on the right side you can clearly see motors fan over there. Guys, this is not a cheap quality product. It looks really good from the material that they have used. Guys, this is the wire, how it looks. The wire is not that long, but it is okay. You can use a extended power supply if your wire is short. I would have preferred if the company had given a long wire. Guys, if you have just rupees 1500 as the budget to buy induction, then you guys can go for this lifelong induction. I have got this induction on Flipkart for just rupees 1000 for the sale. So guys, that's all in this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like and share this video. Thank you.